Hello everyone, it's Dr. Taiba and today we will discuss about different uterine positions on ultrasound such as retroverted, anteverted, anteflexed and retroflexed. When the term varian is used, it refers to the angle of the cervix, and when the term flexion is used, it refers to the angle of the uterine body. The first image is the anteverted uterus. It is the most common uterine position in which the cervix faces or tilts anteriorly and there is no bending of the body of the uterus, so that's why we don't comment on it. We just talk about the cervix, and on the right side is the retroverted uterus. And here you can notice the cervix is facing posteriorly or downwards in this image. And again there is no noticeable bend of the body of the uterus, so we don't rely comment on it. In anteflex uterus, the body of the uterus will face anteriorly. There will be a bend and this angle will face towards the bladder, that's why anteriorly. And in the retroflexed uterus, there will be a bend in the uterine body. This angle will face posteriorly away from the bladder. Here we notice two things, that's why we use two terms, anteverted and the cervix is facing anteriorly, or in this image it is facing upward, and then the body of the uterus is bending anteriorly. The bladder is supposed to be here in the left top corner of the image. And here we have the anteverted and retroflex. The cervix is again facing upward anteriorly and the body of the uterus is bending away from the bladder, that's posteriorly. Here you can see the bladder on the top left corner of the image and the uterus is bending away. Another feature is that the retroverted, the fundus or the body will appear in the right side of the image in retroverted and retroflex uterus. The cervix is tilted posteriorly and the body of the uterus is also facing posteriorly. And here we can see it is in the right side of the image because the bladder will be appearing in the top left side or the left side of the image. The cervix is not very clear in this image. That's why we can use a combination of transabdominal and transvaginal views to determine the actual location of the uterus. And here we have the anteverted and anteflex uterus, so you can see that it is facing the fundus is in the left side of the image because it's been facing anteriorly and the cervix is also facing upward, so it is anteverted and the body is folded and facing anteriorly.